How is Filmofo? How is the
Hindi,
ride?
teka.
Hindi, tanga na sa gulo.
How is the ride so far? How is Filmofo?
Hindi. Mamaya na lang yan. Pagkatapos niya magsalita, saka natin tanongin.
May revelation
Okay.
may revelation.
Tanong mo, salita ka.
By the way, good evening everyone. I'm Lester.
Yes.
How old are you, Lester?
So what?
I'm 25.
25.
Batang bata, sariwa.
This is my
Malabas na malabas.
This is my first
First drinking session?
bike and camp.
Bye.
So I'm a newbie.
Newbie ka?
Type ni Drew.
Newbie ha? Chupay kita gagawa.
Regarding the activity, I'm pretty satisfied.
Uy!
And at the same time,
I'm horny?
a bit challenged.
Akala ko
Kasi unang-una, first time ko.
Bigat ng pack mo, pare.
At mabigat yung pack ko dahil yung provisions ko.
Paano yung spell pack?
Ano ka ba?
Kuting ko dede mo eh.
Kaya yung silikon ko maputo ka. Okay.
Lasing ka na.
Would you want to join us?
Of course.
Definitely.
Maya. Tigisan tanong tayo. Hindi pare, baka
Point
newbie
for
mo.
improvement, pare.
Hindi ka ba newbie mo?
Point for improvement.
Points for improvement. Siguro dahil, personal personal insight. Mabigat kasi yung bag. So, I guess, kailangan yung
Huwag kang iiyak pare, huwag kang iiyak.
rear mount?
Rock.
Ano?
Not available right now, Paneer.
Meron na akong
Pen
topic.
Paneer.
Bumili ka sa cycle at topic yan.
Pare, wala nga.
Wala na cycle art.
Out of
Kasi
stock.
Out of stock sila?
Wala na.
the reason
Yan yung pa yun.
the reason
Pa yun
behind
ha.
bakit ako napuli.
Kay Ann yun, kay Ann. Tsupay mo si Ann. Oy, self ano to? Self-serving question.
Personal question pare. Hindi, recipe daw tinatanong. 3 minutes. Yung recipe
Nabasa ko sa likod lang nung ano.
Yung 1/3 lang.
Likod ng
label.
Del Monte.
Other, ano yun? Yung tropa. Ito lang.
Pare, tapos kami.
O,
Ano ka ba?
Question yung pare.
Okay.
Ano masasabi mo?
I really don't care kung ano man yung affiliation, whether it's PMTB or Filmofo. The important thing is I'm pretty satisfied with the activity.
Yung ride, yung ride.
Kasi naniniwala ako na yung affiliation, wala yan men eh.
lang, no?
It's all
Basta
about the crowd.
We all share the same.
The coffee?
About the common love for the mountain biking
And,
activity.
Eke.
Dahil dyan, pare, chupay ka namin.
Tangina mo.
Ba't namin?
Pero
Wala.
Buto na tugtog mo, Drew.
Okay. Wrap up.
Whatever affiliation it is.
3 sentences. Wrap up.
I
Wrap up.
love Drew.
Who do you love?
Siguro one-liner.
Who would you choose? Someone you love or someone you
Siguro,
Okay, wrap up.
siguro being my first time for this kind of activity, I'm really satisfied.
Satisfied?
Okay, pare. Number 1, pare, ha?
Number 2, I'm looking forward
To the next.
for another
1 minute.
another activity
Broke back?
na ganito.
Gento?
Next time around, let's improve it a little bit.
Yes.
So,
Ano yung
Para
suggest mo? Points for improvement.
ano ba?
Isama to.
Wala natin sa tulog na eh.
Points for improvement, pare.
Meron pa ba mga
Salud.
Mas hardcore, par.
hardcore.
Gusto ko mas hardcore.
Uy, Drew, ang lambot mo raw. Hindi ka hardcore.
Yung team leader natin, kailangan.
Kailangan sabay.
Okay, clap your hands, clap your hands.
Thank you.